Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Daily English. Have you ever studied English for months or even years, but still felt nervous when speaking? Do you understand English when reading slowly, but suddenly feel lost when native speakers speak fast? Do you sometimes know the words in your mind, but cannot say them confidently in conversation? If that sounds familiar, then this video is for you. Because today, we're going to talk about the 4 most important things you should study every single day if you truly want to become fluent in English. Not someday, not in the distant future, but step by step, starting today. And here is something important I want you to remember from the very beginning. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is not talent. Fluency is daily practice. Small actions repeated every single day can completely transform your English over time. In this video, you will learn how to improve your pronunciation, how to speak more confidently, how to study grammar the smart way, and how to build vocabulary naturally without feeling overwhelmed. So relax, stay focused, and watch until the end because this video could completely change the way you learn English forever. And before we begin, subscribe to Easy Daily English, like this video, and comment below. I will become fluent in English. Now let's begin. The first thing you must study every day is pronunciation. And honestly, pronunciation is one of the most ignored parts of learning English. Many students spend years studying grammar rules, memorizing vocabulary lists, and completing exercises, but when they speak, people still struggle to understand them clearly. Why? Because pronunciation is not only about words. It is about sounds, rhythm, stress, intonation, and confidence. Good pronunciation does not mean sounding exactly British or American. It means speaking clearly enough so people can understand you easily. And here is something many learners do not realize. Pronunciation also improves listening. Think about it. If you do not know how a word sounds, your brain may not recognize it when someone says it quickly in conversation. That is why pronunciation should be practiced from the very beginning. Do not wait until later. Start now. One of the best ways to improve pronunciation is simple. Listen carefully to native speakers and repeat what they say. Pause videos. Copy sentences. Imitate rhythm and stress. This technique is called shadowing, and it is extremely powerful. For example, if a native speaker says, "Today we are talking about daily English habits," you repeat, "Today we are talking about daily English habits," again and again. Little by little, your brain starts copying natural pronunciation patterns automatically. Another important thing is sentence stress. English has music. Some words are stressed more strongly than others. For example, I really want to improve my English. The word really receives stress. Without stress, English sounds robotic and unnatural. So pay attention not only to words, but also to rhythm and emotion. And please do not be afraid of making pronunciation mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Every fluent speaker made mistakes in the beginning. Confidence grows through practice, not perfection. So practice every single day, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Now, before we continue, if you are enjoying this lesson so far, make sure to subscribe to Easy Daily English, like this video, and comment. My English improves every day. Now, let's move to the second daily habit, speaking. This is where many students struggle the most. Some learners know grammar very well. Some learners know thousands of vocabulary words. But when it is time to speak, their mind suddenly becomes empty. Why does this happen? Because speaking is a skill, and skills improve through practice. You cannot learn to swim only by reading books about swimming. You must enter the water. English works the same way. You must speak. Even if your English is simple, even if you make mistakes, even if your pronunciation is not perfect, speak anyway. Many students wait until they feel ready before speaking English. But the truth is, speaking is what makes you ready. Fluency comes from using the language regularly, not from waiting for perfection. One of the biggest problems is translating every sentence in your head. You think in your native language first, then try to translate into English. This makes speaking slow and stressful. Instead, train yourself to think directly in English. Start with very simple thoughts. For example, I am tired. The weather is beautiful today. I need to study. I am hungry. I need coffee. Simple thoughts repeated daily help your brain become more comfortable with English. Another powerful habit is talking to yourself. Yes, really. Speak English while cooking, cleaning, walking, or getting ready in the morning. Describe your actions. Describe your plans. Describe your surroundings. The more you use English in daily life, the more natural it becomes. And remember something important. Fluent speakers are not people who never make mistakes. Fluent speakers are people who continue speaking even after making mistakes. Confidence is more important than perfection. Now, let's talk about grammar. Grammar is important, but many students study grammar in the wrong way. They memorize endless rules and complicated structures, but never actually use them in real conversation. Grammar should support communication, not replace communication. You do not need perfect grammar before you start speaking English. Learn grammar and speaking together. That is the smartest approach. And here is another important thing. Do not study grammar randomly. Focus on your weak areas. Some students struggle with tenses. Others struggle with prepositions. Others struggle with sentence structure. Find your weaknesses and improve them step by step. Grammar is like building a house. If the foundation is weak, the whole structure becomes unstable. So never ignore the basics. Review simple grammar regularly. Strong foundations create strong fluency. And try to practice grammar using real examples. For example, instead of only memorizing grammar rules, create sentences. Instead of studying present perfect theoretically, say, I have finished my homework. She has gone to work. We have never visited another country. Real examples make grammar easier to remember and easier to use naturally. Now, let's move to one of the biggest parts of fluency, vocabulary. Many students ask, what vocabulary should I learn? And honestly, the answer is simple. Learn vocabulary connected to your real life. Many learners waste time memorizing difficult words they never use. But your brain remembers useful vocabulary more easily. If you love travel, learn travel vocabulary. If you work in business, learn business vocabulary. If you enjoy movies, learn entertainment vocabulary. Learn words you can actually use in conversations. And here is one of the best habits you can build. Carry a notebook or use your phone. Whenever you hear or see a word you do not know, write it down. Later, find the meaning. Learn the pronunciation. Create a sentence with it. Review it before sleeping. This small daily habit can completely transform your vocabulary over time. Another excellent method is reading. Read articles, stories, blogs, captions, subtitles, comments, or short books. Reading exposes you to vocabulary naturally. And please remember this. You do not need to understand every single word. Focus on understanding the main idea first. Little by little, your vocabulary will grow naturally and comfortably. Now, let me give you a simple but powerful daily English routine. In the morning, listen to English for 15 minutes. In the afternoon, learn 5 to 10 useful words or phrases. In the evening, practice speaking English for 10 or 20 minutes. At night, review vocabulary and grammar notes. Simple habits, big results. Consistency matters more than intensity. 1 hour every day is more powerful than 10 hours once a month. And now I want to speak to you honestly. Learning English is not always easy. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel embarrassed. Sometimes progress feels slow. But never forget this. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once felt nervous. Progress is happening even when you cannot see it immediately. And one day suddenly you will realize you understand movies more easily. You speak more naturally. You think in English automatically. That moment will come if you continue practicing daily. So, do not quit. Keep going. Your future self will thank you. And before we finish this lesson, make sure you subscribe to Easy Daily English, like this video, and comment below. I am becoming fluent every day. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. And I will see you in the next lesson.